Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful home organizer layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the home organizer layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really clean and vibrant as well. It has custom made icons included along with images, which you are free to use without any restriction on any kind of website you build. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here, you will find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free. So you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the home organizer layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So these are all available in Divi, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover everything for yourself. So say for instance, you really enjoy this landing page and you want to use it on your own website. You can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now over here, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item over here. And over here, we have all of our free layout packs again. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the home organizer layout pack. Click on it, select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your website ready to go live. So of course, you can modify written content that's included in certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options to create some design changes. You can add some scroll effects, which are new to Divi, to some elements. So say for instance, you want to add it to a column over here. You can open the column settings, go to the advanced tab, go to the scroll effects. You can add some vertical motion, for instance, and you can modify all of these values. You can also copy the scroll effects and paste them on the other columns in your row. You can basically modify everything as much as you want to create the exact outcome that you want using Divi's built-in options. So go ahead and play around with this layout pack and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.